For an infant, everything is a wonder. Whatever they see, they want to hold, they try to smell, and they even keep it in mouth to taste. Give some clay dough to a preschooler. They try to give shape to it. So the quest for knowing and making things starts very early in our lives. Man has invented innumerable things and continues to do so for making life better. With the invention of computer, design time has reduced a lot. Modifications have become easy. In simple terms, designing with the aid of computers is computer-aided design or CAD. It has a lot to offer to the coming generations. We can easily give shape to our imagination. We can first create anything virtually before we are ready to print or manufacture. Autodesk Fusion 360 is a very powerful software where you can design things very easily, starting from the two-dimensional sketches and adding features to them. In the next video, we will be seeing the different modules that are available in Autodesk Fusion 360, which will make the design process quite simple. However, the scope of the course is only to teach part modeling without surfaces. Let's dive in to see the capabilities of Fusion 360.